we're in the client house to carry out some solution. This is a Felicity 3.5 kVA, 24 volts. Come closer. This is it. These are the formation. 24 volts system. And this is a TechFine MPPT charge controller. 100 amps. Come and take the ready. 100 amps. Okay. Up to 48 volts. It can carry solar panel from 12 volts to 48 volt system, but this system is 24 volts. Okay. Now this system is not charging. This installation is just done newly. It's just a fresh installation, but they have an issue. They call to come and provide solution. Now come closer. You can see from the charge controller. You can see it's using probably 1.5 mm. That is as a DC cable. Instead for you to use AC cable, DC cable is using instead for you to use DC cable, is using AC cable 1.5 mm, transmitting it to the battery. This is a wrong installation. That is bad already. It's not charging. Then secondly, you can see, just come down. Please look under. This is the panel sign. This is the cable that is coming from the solar panel, and it's coming through this way. Okay, so I'm going to open this. I'm going to open it. You can see this is the tool that is coming from the charge controller up, positive and negative. Yes, it's right, but let me tell you, this is not the right breaker to use in place of this. These are voltage monitor and ampage monitor. Is adjustable. You can adjust the voltage. You can increase it just to protect your load, but it's not for DC. It's not meant for DC. So we have a DC breaker. This cable that is coming is supposed to enter a DC breaker. Depends of the calculation. It depends of the installation that it did on the roof. Depends of the installation that it did on the roof. That determine the amount of the breaker ampage of DC is going to use. Then from there it's supposed to come down to display. So right now this breaker is not going to work. It's going to replace it with a DC breaker. Then you need to change the entire system of this cable. You need to change it. Very, very important. So that is it. I'm going to close this bar. We are going to provide solution, and as we progress, we are going to give you updates. Follow our page, subscribe. If you have any challenge on your installation, also notify us on Costa Technica so that we also provide solution. Thank you.